If your closet feels overwhelming, outdated, or just uninspired, fall is the perfect season to revive it. Let's talk about 6 steps to resuscitate your style and breathe new life into your wardrobe. Step 1 is clarity. Before adding anything new, you need to strip away the noise. Remove what no longer reflects who you are, what doesn't fit your lifestyle, and what you know deep down you won't reach for again. This gives you a clean canvas to rebuild from. Step 2 is identity. Ask yourself what image you want to project this season. Do you want to look powerful, intellectual, mysterious, warm, refined? Your closet should serve that vision instead of confusing it. Style is psychological, and once you anchor your identity, the rest falls into place. Step 3 is editing. Don't think in terms of quantity, but of sharp, intentional choices. Rescue comes from refining, not stuffing. The less random clutter you own, the stronger every piece you keep becomes. Step 4 is structure. Fall fashion is built on layers, but layering isn't just practical, it creates depth. Think in terms of balance, how textures, colors, and proportions play off each other. This step turns a pile of clothes into a curated system. Step 5 is energy. Clothing holds energy. It communicates before you even speak. Rescue your closet by prioritizing pieces that make you feel alive, focused, and aligned. If something drains your presence, it doesn't belong, no matter the price tag. And step 6 is evolution. A closet rescue isn't a one-time purge, it's about building habits. Every new season, you should refine, reset, and elevate. That constant evolution ensures your wardrobe keeps pace with who you are becoming. Fall is the season of transformation, and your closet can be part of that rebirth. Rescue it with intention, edit it with clarity, and you'll step into autumn not just dressed, but transformed. Resuscitating your style this fall also means relearning the art of discipline. When you stop letting trends dictate your choices, you regain control. A disciplined closet is a powerful closet. It holds only what serves you and nothing that dilutes your presence. Another layer is storytelling. Your wardrobe should tell a consistent story about who you are, not a chaotic collection of impulses. Think of it as a personal narrative, every piece contributing to a bigger picture. When someone sees you, they should immediately sense coherence, even if they can't put it into words. You also need contrast. Rescue isn't about monotony, it's about knowing when to add light against dark, softness against structure, simplicity against complexity. Contrast keeps your style alive and stops it from becoming flat or predictable. Then comes alignment. A revived closet works with your real life, not against it. If your wardrobe doesn't fit the rhythm of your day, it becomes costume. True luxury is effortlessness, clothes that meet you where you are, not ones that force you to bend around them. Finally, rescue is about vision. Don't just patch up your style for this season. Think ahead. Where do you want to be in a year? In 5 years? Your wardrobe should be built with that trajectory in mind. Clothes can be a tool for becoming, and the more aligned your vision, the stronger your style feels. When you put all of this together, your closet stops being a burden and becomes an extension of your identity. That's the true rescue. A wardrobe that empowers you, refines you, and prepares you for the next chapter of your life. Part of rescuing your fall wardrobe is shifting the mindset from survival to intention. Most closets become stale, not because of a lack of clothes, but because of a lack of vision. This season, treat your wardrobe as an evolving archive, a reflection of your past, present, and future self, rather than a storage unit. Another step is resetting your relationship with choice. Too much variety can paralyze you, while too little leaves you uninspired. Rescue comes from striking balance, having just enough range to express yourself while keeping everything aligned to your personal narrative. Don't forget ritual, the act of preparing your outfits, curating your space, and even storing your clothes with care transforms style from something passive into something intentional. A closet that's respected always gives back more. There's also the importance of rhythm. Seasons shift, moods change, and so should your clothing flow. Rotating pieces, refreshing combinations, and allowing your wardrobe to breathe keeps it alive. Rescue is as much about circulation as it is about curation. Lastly, give your style room to breathe with silence. Not every look has to shout. The most elegant wardrobes know how to hold back, to let presence do the talking. By editing out excess, you allow the strongest elements of your style to shine. A closet rescue isn't about replacing everything or chasing trends. It's about breathing life back into what you already have and aligning it with who you are becoming. Done right, your wardrobe won't just feel alive again, it will feel inevitable, as if it was always meant to belong to you. True closet rescue also requires perspective. Most people look at their wardrobe and see lack, what they don't have, what they need to buy. But when you flip the mindset and see potential instead, you start to notice the power of what's already there. Rescue is less about acquisition and more about reinterpretation. Another step is patience. Style isn't revived in a single day. It takes time to edit, to experiment, and to rebuild habits. Rushing the process usually means repeating old mistakes. A slow rescue is a lasting rescue. Then comes consistency. A revived closet should align with your everyday choices, not just when you feel inspired. If your wardrobe only works on your best days, it isn't really serving you. Rescue means creating a foundation that supports you no matter the context. There's also honesty. Many people hold on to pieces for fantasy versions of themselves, the person they think they'll become, the life they might live someday. Closet rescue asks for truth. Does this reflect who I am today and who I am realistically becoming? If not, it's weighing you down. And finally, there's joy. Rescue is meaningless if your closet doesn't spark excitement again. Your wardrobe should feel like a source of energy, not obligation. When you open it, you should feel clarity, pride, and anticipation. That spark is the true sign your style has been resuscitated. By embracing perspective, patience, consistency, honesty, and joy, your full fashion rescue becomes more than just a seasonal edit. It transforms into a long-term habit, one that keeps your style alive, relevant, and unmistakably yours. A real rescue also demands refinement. This is where you learn to cut away everything that weakens your image, even if it feels sentimental or comfortable. Refinement isn't about being ruthless, it's about being honest enough to let only the strongest pieces represent you. Another step is presence. The most powerful wardrobes are built around how you feel when you walk into a room, not just how you look. Rescue means rethinking your clothing as part of your energy, your posture, your aura. A closet that supports presence will always feel alive. There's also adaptability. Autumn is about transition, and your wardrobe should mirror that. Rescue means choosing clothes that move with you through shifting environments, from daylight to evening, work to leisure, public to private, without ever breaking character. Equally important is discipline with influence. Everyone is being told what to wear, what's trending, what's dying. A true rescue means resisting that constant pull and filtering external noise through your own lens. Style is only powerful when it's authored by you. And finally, legacy. Ask yourself, if someone were to remember me by the way I dress this season, what story would I be leaving behind? A closet rescue becomes more than just a seasonal reset when it builds toward a lasting impression. When you combine refinement, presence, adaptability, discipline, and legacy, your closet stops being a pile of clothes and becomes a portrait of your identity. That's how you resuscitate your style, not by chasing more, but by curating meaning.